Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to delete Gmail account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So I have an old Gmail here that I want to delete. What you do is you go up to the profile image in the upper right hand corner, and when we click on that, we can manage our Google account. So we're going to click this button. Now on the left hand side, we're going to see Data and Privacy. We click Data and Privacy, and you'll see your data and privacy options. We're going to click down to More Options. You can also just scroll down the page until you see More Options. Inside of here, one of the options is Delete your Google account, which is deleting your Gmail account. So when we click on that, it's going to take us through this process. You can download your data before you delete your account if you want to. And then we scroll down, it'll tell you what you're going to delete. So you might be deleting Gmail or an associated channel with your Gmail account on YouTube. Also the contacts as well, because anything your Google account is connected to, even more than just Gmail, will be removed. And so you have some linked services, etc. It lets you know if you have any pending financial transactions, you're still responsible. And then you have to checkmark, yes, I want to permanently delete this Google account. After that, we're going to click Delete Account, and that's how you delete your Gmail account. If you want to recover it, you'll have a short time to be able to recover it. You can click this button here. There's likely other ways to recover, but deleting your Gmail account is pretty easy. It does delete your entire Google account and any of its associations. And that's it. So that's basically how you can delete Gmail account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.